Trade wars, complex battles fought not with weapons, but with tariffs, sanctions, and economic strategies. They shape global economies, disrupt industries, and impact the prices we pay every day. But what exactly is a trade war, and why should it matter to you? A trade war is an economic conflict where countries impose tariffs or trade barriers against each other in retaliation for perceived unfair trade practices. It's often sparked by disputes over trade imbalances, national security, or efforts to protect local industries. Imagine this. Country A imports more from Country B than it exports. To protect its economy, Country A imposes high tariffs on Country B's products. In response, Country B retaliates with its own tariffs. This back and forth can spiral into a full-blown trade war. Historically, trade wars have had serious consequences. Take the Smoot-Hawley Tariff Act of 1930. Intended to protect U.S. industries during the Great Depression, it backfired, triggering retaliatory tariffs, collapsing trade, and worsening the global economy. In modern times, the U.S.-China trade war that began in 2018 is a prime example. It emerged from concerns over intellectual property theft and trade deficits. Both sides imposed tariffs on hundreds of billions of dollars in goods, disrupting supply chains and increasing prices worldwide. Several economic theories explain these conflicts. Protectionism promotes defending domestic jobs and industries, while the theory of comparative advantage argues for global efficiency when countries focus on what they do best. Trade wars often ignore this logic, resulting in higher prices and inefficiencies. Key players in trade wars aren't just governments. Multinational corporations, international organizations like the WTO, and even technology companies play major roles, shaping policy through lobbying, compliance, and innovation. The consequences? Job losses in key sectors, rising costs for consumers, and broken global supply chains. For businesses, uncertainty hampers investment and innovation. And for everyday people, trade wars can mean paying more for everything from groceries to gadgets. Socially and politically, trade wars can deepen divisions. Governments may gain short-term support, but prolonged conflict often results in public frustration, shifting political landscapes, and strained diplomatic ties. Technology is another battlefield, from disputes over data privacy to competition in AI and blockchain. Countries now face new challenges in regulating and taxing digital trade. As the digital economy grows, so will its role in global trade conflicts. Looking ahead, global trade is shifting. Regional partnerships are gaining traction, and sustainability is becoming a central pillar of trade policy. Nations are seeking greener, more equitable ways to engage economically. Trade wars are more than headlines. They're powerful forces that shape our world. Understanding their causes and consequences is key to navigating the future. For more in-depth analysis and knowledge, visit HUMANITYUAPD.com. Stay informed, stay empowered.